If you love cinnamon rolls, you've got to try the Cinnamon Roll Focaccia. In a bowl, combine water, flour, yeast, and salt. Mix it to combine until there's no dry bits of flour remaining, and then transfer to a bowl that is coated in olive oil. Let it rise until it's nice and bubbly, about double in size. Then get your pan ready. You're going to coat it in some olive oil and melted butter. Make sure the whole pan is completely coated. Place that risen dough into the pan, and then you'll gently stretch it out so that it fills the entire surface of the pan. Next, you'll add the filling to half of the dough. This is just some melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Take the other half of the dough and fold it over, and then rotate the dough so you can easily stretch it out to fill the pan again. Let it rise until it's super bubbly and jiggly, and then pour over the remaining amount of cinnamon sugar filling. Use your fingertips to dimple the dough. You're going to create a whole bunch of wells of cinnamon sugar. And then we're going to top it off with the cinnamon crumb topping. Bake it until it's nice and golden, and then you're going to ice it with the yummiest vanilla icing. Let it set for about 10 minutes before you slice it. You'll love every single bite of the cinnamon roll focaccia. You've got to make this today. You can find the recipe at thatbreadlady.com.